hang on a second. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey there.
Hey, nice spot, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's great, especially because of that thing over there. You know what's in there? Corn.
Really? Wow, I could go for some corn.
You're dark, Raj.
I don't care.
Slow down! I want to get there, but I want to get there alive!
All right, internet porn? Check. Tissues? Check. Lotion? Check. Okay, let's go. Aw.
Wow, it really inks in here.